Hi everyone, welcome back to Tool Time Tuesday. We had a great time at EJS. A lot of good wheeling. You're seeing those videos come out now. And I appreciate everybody who signed up for our Patreon. But today we've got a tool that I don't know why we've not done it up to this point, because I use it daily multiple times. And it's not one of these little V-pads or a pair of pliers that are, well, they're pretty cool anyway. It's not a new fancy wrench, not a fancy pin, but I use it every time I'm doing any kind of tube or 3D printing. I even use this. So what is it? It's a pretty cool deburring tool. So I'll use this on just about everything. So if I've printed something and I've got to get that little edge from the brim or anything off of it, you just drag it along. It's got these pretty cool little blades on it that spin, and it doesn't matter if you've got tubing. Say you just got regular tube, it'll go in and it pulls the burr off of it. You've got aluminum pieces, same thing. You just hold it, and if you don't hold it back here, I always typically hold it up by the blade, and it takes the edge off. Let's say you're making skid plates for some reason, maybe your lower control arms, and it's got edges on it, it'll just go through there. Now they make all kinds of these blades, and I use a general purpose one. Make them for aluminum, plastic, and everything else, and make them for right hand, left hand. But these are just a general purpose. They just got a little blade on them. So that just fits in the handle, and it spins, and the handle itself is made to hold many more. So the handle will hold many of these, and they're very inexpensive, and these blades last a very long time. Now if you get into stainlesses and stuff like that, that'll wear them out. And I use them so much that, well, we have two of them, because I leave these things laying around, and I'll use these things probably 5 or 6 times a day at minimum. I'll leave these in the descriptions. But it's a pretty handy little tool. Now it allows you to deburr just about anything. Now it works better on the ID versus the OD of a piece of tubing. But for plate or anything like that, it works phenomenal. So I'll leave a link for these in the descriptions. Go check them out. Check out our Patreon. And then if you have any questions or anything you want to see on Tool Time, let me know. I'd love to hear your comments and feedback. And I'll see you here for places to use a little tool like that.